Good morning, class 6 student. Today is 25 January. We are studying chapter number 16, garbage in, garbage out. Earlier we have discussed about the waste and what are garbage, and about different type of waste as biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, along with how to minimize the waste. And three methods we have discussed, that is landfilling, composting and incineration. Now today we are going to discuss about plastic. What is plastic and what is the effect of plastic materials in our life as well as in the environment? Is it a boon for us or curse for us? Children, the word plastic is derived from a Greek word which is plastikos, whose meaning is capable of being shaped or molded. Molded means you can change or you can give any specific shape to it. It is made up of petroleum. Most of the things we use in our daily life are made up of plastic. For example, the toothbrush, the toys, carry bags, buckets, water bottle, and many part of computer, monitor, printer, keyboard, car, kitchen appliances, etc. all are made up of plastic. And it will not be wrong to say that we live in a plastic age. Plastics are used in a wide range of products, from paper clips to spaceship, due to their lightweight and relatively low cost and resistance to water and microorganisms. Plastic can be given any color and any specific shape, and they can be used for making anything. Plastics are very durable, and all this has made plastic a boon for us. Boon means vardhan, a gift for us. Children, plastics degrade very slowly, so they come in the category of non-biodegradable materials. The use of plastics has also created many other problems for us, and these problems are actually associated with the way we use plastics and dispose of them. Children, we often take the plastic carry bags for shopping, and after we use, we generally throw them away. These plastic bags get into the drains and block them. As a result, the dirty water spills on the road that become breeding ground for the mosquitoes. The blocked drains could also cause flood-like situation during heavy rains. Children, we also often throw the household garbage, basically the kitchen waste or the leftover food, in the plastic bags. These stray animals often eat these carry bags along with the food, and the bags can block their digestive canal and may take their lives also. And in this way, plastic is dangerous or a curse for us. Children, many people burn plastic waste during winters, and the burning of plastic releases toxic and poisonous gases which may cause respiratory problems, eye problems and cancer. And in this way, we can say that plastic can be a curse for us. Any coin has two faces. Like that, plastics have also two faces. In one side, it is a boon for us, and on the other side, it is a curse for us. Children, nowadays we are totally dependent on the plastic, and that is why it is the age of plastic age. And we can't stop suddenly the use of plastic, because not in our daily life, even in the medical field, like the syringe, the water bottles and the medicine bottles, all are made up of plastic. So children, the stoppage of the plastic materials cannot be do suddenly, and that is why the only way to minimize or avoid the maximum use of plastic is only by minimizing the overuse of plastic and dealing with the garbage. So children, I am going to discuss some of the tips by which you can minimize the overuse of plastic items in the following ways. That is, use plastic bags to the minimum. Instead of plastic bags, you can use the cloth or jute bag when you go out for shopping. Insist shopkeepers to give the items in a paper bag instead of plastic bag. Do not use the plastic bags to store the eatables. Do not throw the plastic bags here and there after the use. And children, never burn the objects which are made up of plastic. Do not dispose of garbage in plastic bags. By using some of these tips, we can minimize the overuse of plastics and we can deal with the garbage which includes the plastic materials. When you minimize or deal with the waste management, there are a lot of benefits related with it. Children, in the last 2 decades, we have changed our attitude towards the disposal of waste considering their impact on our lives. The basic approach to the management and control of waste involves production of minimum waste, proper disposal of waste, and the following 3R method which we have already discussed, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. And children, with this above approach, this helps in the following ways. The first one is it reduces the air, water and land pollution. It conserves the natural resources like trees and metals. It saves electricity and resources required for producing the new products. Provide healthy and cleaner environment. It saves money. We must reduce the generation of garbage and use effective method for its disposal. Children, garbage disposal is not only the responsibility of the government. So children, it's my request to you all that you should keep the non-biodegradable waste in a proper dustbin. Do not throw these waste anywhere. You can recycle, reuse, and after, if you are not able to reuse or reduce it, you can throw it in a specific dustbin instead of scattering here and there and making the public places dirty. Your one first step might help the others to save their life, such as the animals who are wandering here and there on the roadsides. They are not able to speak like us. They can't say that they are eating the plastic items. So you can minimize the overthrowing of the plastic wrappers like the chips packet, chocolates and biscuit packets here and there. Thank you. Have a nice day.